Hey, I was just wondering if there was any way you could.
Listen, you guys, before I actually take off my do-rag, there's something I gotta say. So me and Fonz are going on a challenge, if you will. We're basically going to the dollar store to pick up some Wave products. And I guess the challenge is to only use dollar store product. But yeah, let me take off my do-rag to show you guys what I'm currently working with. Yeah, it's getting kind of difficult here. I got a knot, so I gotta untie this first.
Why the f you lying?
That way, you know, to make it a little bit more easier for me to take off the do-rag. I still need a cut, still need to cut my hair. But let's go to the store right now. All right, you guys, we are at the Dollar Tree. Let me show you guys. We are at the Dollar Tree right now. We're gonna go in there and basically figure out if we can get some 360 Wave products or any type of product to brush my hair, so let's go. So, man, crazy story. The cashier lady was like, you're into hair care products like my son. He has all the waves and stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, that's what's up, that's what's up. She was like, so yeah, I see, you know, you like hair care products. I was like, you know what? As I was putting my card information in, I was like, you know what? You need to tell your son that you seen 360 Jeezy, because I guarantee you probably watched my channel. So she ended up saying, what, for real? Hold on, let me take a picture. So she started snapping pictures and stuff like that, and it was just real dope. But yeah, this is just the proof to that kid right there. Yeah, I really met your mom, you know what I mean? Hold on, I was at the dollar store doing the challenge. Yes indeed, it was me. All right, you guys, I made it home. Wow. Back up. Super bright. Take a chill pill. Back up. Wow. Wow. All right, you guys, I'm back at home. Let me show you guys what I got. You guys, so today I'm gonna be using these two products right here. I'm gonna wash my hair with this VO5 Men in 131.
What?
I don't know what the heck this is. I've never used it.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Also, I'm gonna be conditioning my hair with the VO5 Passion Fruit Conditioner. Okay, I've never used any of these products, but hopefully, okay, hopefully they do good, okay, because maybe my hair won't react good to this, and I don't think, I just want to see, wait, we might, I'll be back. Let me show you guys, man. My hair is super dirty. Oh my God. I'm gonna be embarrassed to show you guys what's left on this towel. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's nasty.
Gets darker. It's just nastiness, man. The reason why it isn't lathering up is because my hair is dirty. I gotta rinse this out and go back again. Let's do it. Okay, now that it's rinsed out, let's do it again. Oh, and if you guys were wondering, I'm not being generous with it, okay? I'm using it. It only costs $1.
I'm using it.
Now that it looks all lathery and all that, you know what I mean? Now it's time to wash it out and put in the conditioner in. Let's go. All right. I'm not gonna lie, man, my hair feels super dry. I was feeling it when I was washing it out. There is no tight, it said 3-in-1. 3-in-1 what? There's no conditioner in here. My hair feels super dry. It's time to put the conditioner in. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go on a little brush session with my detangler brush right here. So the conditioner is in my hair right now, it's in there good, but I need something to lay it down. That's why I'm gonna use this brush right here. I'm gonna use this wave cap to basically put it on after, and then I'm gonna rinse it out with the wave cap on. I just need to open this up. That's all. That's it. No worries, huh? No worries. No worries. I'll put it down. I'll put it down. All right. Okay. Okay. Jeezy. What? What now? What are you doing? I'm editing. I said that. Editing? Come on, man. Wow, you always got something to say. Come on, man. Nobody wants to see you edit. Yeah, they do. Right? This is the boring part of the video. It's people don't nobody want to see this. It's people out there that want to know. Listen, stop. Wow. I don't care. Hard work, I don't, okay, I hear what you're saying. You always got something to say. Hard work, dedication, what about that? Come on, you gotta put in the hard work. The fact still remains that does nobody want to see this right now, okay? Go to the next scene. I'm gonna continue editing. I don't care nothing what you got to say. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my do-rag on over this. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for at least a good 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna wash it out with the do-rag on. I couldn't stay like that for long. So right now, I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm gonna chill. Matter of fact, I'm about to go edit and just, you know, finish up on this video. So let's go. The fact still remains that does nobody want to see this right now. I can't believe I be doing myself like that. But right now, I gotta go wash this out, and I'm about to go to bed, okay? I'm about to lay it down. I'm gonna wash my hair, and it's about to be a wrap, okay? Let go. All right, you guys, I woke up, okay? Feeling real fresh. About to go to the shop, take off the do-rag, and proceed through the process. Let's go. Bad, not too bad. I'm looking a little rough at the edges, but not too bad. Overall, not too bad. All right, so let's get a slight brush session with this brush right here. Listen, this brush right here is not cutting it, so let's see if this one will work. Alright, in the moment of truth, alright, I'm about to put this dollar store Indian hymn in my hair. I just don't know the outcome. But I'm about to put that.
What is that?
Do a small little comb session. And I'm gonna throw on this do-rag. This do-rag right here. I never heard of it. But let's go. Officially done with everything. I'm gonna put this do-rag on, and I'll show you guys the results when I get home. What is this? What is this? But alright, you guys, I'll see you at home. Alright, you guys, let me show you the results, man. I'm anxious, I guess I'm saying it right. Anxious to see the results, okay? I'm gonna keep it straight real with you guys.
I keeps it real.
I'm gonna keep it 100. My hair feels dry. My hair feels like it has grease in it, but it just doesn't feel that silky that I'm looking for. You know what I mean? The do-rag in itself is like a silky kind of material, but then you can tell it's really not. It's this cheap material, but what can you expect from getting all your products from the dollar store? I really feel as though that this messed up my hair. I really feel like, not as far as my waves or anything, like my waves is cool, it's intact, but I feel like it damaged like I don't know, it just doesn't give off the moist type of feel that I'm used to. It just feels so dry. I don't know, if you know how your hair feels dry but it has grease in your hair, I don't know, it's a weird feeling. All right, Listen, if you guys want to take upon this challenge, okay, I challenge you. Make sure you go over to YoFonz and watch his version of this challenge, okay? His link will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, all right? My Instagram is 360Jeezy and my Twitter, 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.